Justice D.Y. Chandrachud began his 2-year term as the Chief Justice of India today, taking over the office from former CJI U.U. Lalit. Now, expectations run high from this judge who overturned the popular Beatles lyric,
All you need is love, love, love is all you need.
So we need a little more than love. Structural changes as well as attitudinal changes are essential, he's been quoted to say. Constitution benches, the collegium, listing system, e-functioning, there is indeed a long laundry list of structural and attitudinal changes that CJI Chandrachud is expected to attend to in the next 2 years. So who is CJI Chandrachud? Let's find out. Son of a professional singer at the All India Radio and a former Chief Justice of India, CJI Chandrachud is an alumni of St. Stephen's College, Delhi, Faculty of Law, Delhi University, and Harvard University. He was an advocate for 11 years and was Additional Solicitor General of India in 1998 during the first NDA government before he began his career as a judge. He served 13 years as a judge of the High Court of Bombay and was Chief Justice of the Allahabad High Court in 2013. 3 years later, in 2016, CJI Chandrachud was elevated to the Supreme Court. In 6 years at the Supreme Court so far, CJI Chandrachud has written 513 judgments, putting his tally of judgments authored per year above his colleagues at the SC. At the end of his first year at the Supreme Court, he authored the majority opinion in the 9-judge bench Puttaswamy case, recognizing the right to privacy and dignity as an intrinsic part of the right to life. Justice Chandrachud played a key role in several landmark judgments in 2018. He was part of the Constitution bench which decriminalized consensual sex between persons belonging to the same sex by striking down some parts of Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. The same year, in the Hadiya marriage case, Justice Chandrachud stated that a woman's choice to marry, irrespective of the religion of her partner, lies outside the control of the state. Finally, in 2018, Chandrachud J. concurred with the majority opinion in decriminalizing adultery. He found that criminalizing adultery was rooted in patriarchal notions and had resulted in centuries of women's subjugation. He was also on the 5-judge bench that delivered the Ayodhya title dispute verdict, which awarded the contested Babri Masjid land title to the Hindu deity Sri Ram Virajman. Incidentally, the judgment was delivered exactly 3 years ago on this date. As his tenure begins, CJI Chandrachud inherits 69,781 pending cases and a host of new reforms from the former CJI Lalit. CJI Lalit's tenure, though short, saw changes in the listing of cases, a revival of constitution benches, and a meticulous attempt to reduce pendency. However, CJI Lalit had a 74-day tenure. The onus to ensure that these reforms last at the Supreme Court falls squarely on the new CJI. In the ceremonial bench held to bid CJI Lalit farewell, Justice Chandrachud assured a sense of continuity in the reforms made by his predecessor. How true this claim will hold is yet to be seen. Stay tuned to the SC Observer website for more.